Ever wondered what that little arrow means next to your resources in Primavera P6? And did you know the secret why some resources, although assigned to the project, are not showing in any activity? Stick around because what seems like a small detail might just be a game changer for managing your projects effectively. Before we dive in, a massive thank you to all our members. You're the reason we can keep creating this content. By the way, members are different to subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications if you love exploring the ideas of project planning techniques in P6. Oh, and if you want to take your skills to the next level, check out our membership program for perks like exclusive access to XER files and get responses to your queries and issues. Now let's talk about those little arrows and some other important secrets too. But let's have some fun here. Head over to the Resources tab in Primavera P6. Pause for a moment and count how many resources are listed. For this walkthrough, you've got 6 resources there. Great. Now switch over to the Activities tab and go to the Activity Resources section. What do you see in the activity we have? Just 3 resources. Wait, what? Where did the other 3 go? Is this some kind of a bug? Has Primavera P6 broken down just when you need it most? If you're an experienced planner, you might already know the answer. Write down in the comment and show you are a P6 expert. If not, don't worry, let me explain in the next video, so follow up, subscribe, and join the membership. Alright, for those of you waiting for the answer to our little P6 mystery, here it is. Why only 3 resources? It's due to the resources assigned to a risk or an issue in the currently open projects. So you have to go and check the Risk tab and Issue tab. Here we are, they are assigned to the risk and issue in the open project. So the arrow in the main resources list tells you a resource is assigned to an open project. The resources view by default shows you all assigned resources in the open projects for activities, issues, and risks. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed unraveling this small but essential secret, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for even more secrets and tips about Primavera P6 and beyond.